Hello everyone, so today we have x to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200 and x is your known. So let's solve together. Let's seek solution. Our equation x to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200. 200 can be written as 100 times 2. So our next line becomes x to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of 100 times 2. But square root of a times b is equivalent to the square root of a times square root of b. So we're going to apply it here. So the next line becomes x to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of square root of 100 times square root of 2. But 100 is a perfect square, so that x to the power of s equals to 2 to the power of 10 square root of 100 times square root of 2. Again, a can be written as square root of a to the power of 2. So that when square root and square cancelled out, a will be equals to a. So we're going to apply it here. And the next line becomes x to the power of x. And this is equals to square root of 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 10 times square root of 2. Thank you for staying tuned. I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel and like this video also so that we can have more visibility. Alright, so let's continue. Here, x to the power of x can therefore be written as square root of 2 and 2 times 10 to the power of 20 times square root of 2. And 20 can be splitted into 5 times 4. So that the next line becomes square root of 2 to the power of 5 times 4, that is square root of 2. And we can write this very line also as s to the power of x equals to square root of 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 4 times square root of 2. So if we agree on this one, x to the power of s can be written as, here, square root of 2 to the power of 5 is same thing as square root of 2 times 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 square root of 2 in 5 places to the power of 4 times square root of 2. So that x to the power of x is equals to square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is 2, and square root of 2 times square root of 2 again is 2 times square root of 2, and to the power of 4 times square root of 2. But 2 times 2 is 4, so that x to the power of x is equals to 4 times square root of 2 to the power of 4 times square root of 2. If we compare the right hand side and the left hand side, so we can conclude that x is equals to 4 square root of 2. Thank you for staying tuned. Please do well to subscribe to our channel before going. See you in our next video. Bye bye.